Equip your photovoltaic panels with SUNCLIX connectors by default. The consistent connection system allows you to connect your panels to the inverter without using tools. Integrate string protection during connection to combiner boxes. SUNCLIX connectors can easily be assembled by hand. Insert the strip cable into the connector, press together, done. Industrial assembly can be automated thanks to the special crimp contacts with long-term stability. Panel feed-throughs with fast screw connection are secured by only 2 to 3 turns and are then permanently latched and self-locking. Even with small depth gauges, the SUNCLIX connectors can be released in a quick and convenient way with the help of a screwdriver.